Hello, welcome to another episode of Pop's Dog House. Today we're here with another episode of Truckers Health. Today I'm filming from the service department. Why do you ask? Well, here in the service department, of course, we repair and maintain all of the dogs, the Mack bulldogs. That's right. But the interesting thing that happened this morning is, after my last episode posted, one of my friends, a service advisor, came into my office and she was really happy and really excited about seeing the video and started talking to me. And I said, well, hold on. I would love to use this for my Pop's Dog House channel. So I stopped the conversation and hit record, and I'm gonna share that conversation with you right now.
So I came across to your video.
Which one?
Where you were talking about how you have lost weight.
Correct. 54 pounds.
Yes, sir. So I remember that I'm trying to do the same thing.
You can do it, Mama. It's not that hard. Your plate got you here. Your plate will get you out of here.
Yes, sir. So I started 2 months ago where I'm fasting, but I do have 2 meals a day. And I seen that you only do one.
Yeah,
right?
but you can do it with 2. You just got to keep a short eating window. So I would recommend don't eat breakfast. Start eating maybe 1, 2 o'clock. Eat again at 5, 6 o'clock. Don't eat no snacks. Don't eat nothing after that. Then you'll get an 18-hour fast.
Correct. So I was like, let me go see him and let me, kind of break it down for him and let me see if he has any suggestions. And one day maybe we could go out to eat so you can kind of tell me where. Because sometimes my options, right? That's the hardest part for me sometimes. So
it's just a habit. You just got to search for them. Like you said, I'll do Osaka like you saw in the video.
Yeah.
I'll do Whataburger. I mean, you can go anywhere and make it happen.
Yeah.
The main thing is keep strict on what you're eating.
Correct.
Sugar is your enemy, and if you're not putting sugar in your body, then guess what? Your body will start eating its own fat. You're automatically going to lose weight. That's a fact, Jack. Pop's
No, definitely. Because I went to the doctor, I think it was in December, and I went last week, and I have lost 1 pound, but
that's good.
No, but hold on, I'm not gaining any weight.
That's good. You're in maintenance mode.
Correct.
I'm in maintenance mode most of the time.
Correct. So, like I said, sometimes I do forget to where I start having carbs. The first thing my stomach, that's what the first thing that my stomach touches.
That's
so
your brain. That's not your stomach. That's your brain.
Or my brain. I'm sorry.
Your bad habits. I mean, I have the same issues.
So sometimes, yes, I could kind of, but no, I was like, let me talk to him, see where we can, manage, so he can kind of guide me and give me suggestions, because it could get a little tricky once you're in it, and I'm pretty sure you have more experience. And I was so amazed how much weight you have lost.
Well, I'll tell you this: at Pop's Dog House, we got your back, and that's a fact. And yes, we're definitely going to get together. It just excites me that my videos, are reaching people that need help, right? And I guarantee you, if you just try it, you will automatically lose weight. Your body will eat its own fat. So when you feel that little tugging in your stomach, that's a good thing. That means it's eating its fat. Have a great weekend. Thank you for stopping by.
Oh, you're very welcome.
All right, bye. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I did. In service, we maintain trucks. Well, Truckers Health Week is about maintaining our bodies. And that's what we're trying to accomplish here, is just giving out good information. To have a coworker come in my office and start telling me about how much she enjoyed the video and how she's actually started fasting herself. She said 14-hour fast. And I said, you know what? If you're doing 14, you can get to 18. Once you get used to 18, you can go to 24. And that's when the amazing results really start kicking in. Kicks into autophagy, puts you in ketosis. And what is ketosis? Ketosis is when your body switches from using glucose or sugar for energy over to ketones, which your body produces from your fat. Autophagy is when your actual body, your cells in your body go throughout your whole body and they start repairing and cleaning out damaged cells. Okay, that's why you want to get to autophagy. That's the whole process. And that's why I do it. And you can't miss losing weight if you try this process, I promise you. Now, I did say I haven't been to the gym since I lost these weights. I didn't go to the gym in the process of losing those 54 pounds. I'm not saying don't go to the gym. I'm not saying don't exercise. I'm just sharing the truth with you that I didn't. And I know as truckers that are on the road, it's hard to get to the gym. It's hard to do working out. So it just drives the message home that you don't have to go to the gym. The main thing to remember is your plate got you here and your plate will get you out. And also, don't forget, sugar is not good for you. You don't need sugar. You don't need those carbohydrates. You need protein. Load up on the protein. Steaks, grilled chicken. Heck, eggs are one of the best protein sources you can get. Seafood is good as long as it's grilled. Those are the foods that your body will thrive on. And next week, we're also going to talk about your salt intake. When you're fasting and you're losing a bunch of weight, you got to make sure you put those minerals back. But we're not just talking about table salt. That stuff's bad for you. I would never tell you to take a bunch of table salt, and I'm not telling you to eat a bunch of salt. I'm telling you what I do is I put a pinch in my hand and I drink it with my water 3 or 4 or 5 times a day, but it's a very specific kind of salt, and it's called Celtic salt. And it's hand-drawn from France, and it has, I believe, 86 minerals that your body needs in order to thrive. I think the body needs a total of 92 or so, but you're getting about 86 out of the Celtic salt. And probably some of the best ones, or the most important ones that are in there, are magnesium. It has 3 different types of magnesium. And with those, once you have magnesium in your system, that will actually open up the cells. So when you drink water, the actual water will go into the cells. If you don't have magnesium, you're gonna drink water, you're gonna go to the bathroom, and you're gonna release it, but you're not gonna get hydrated. So the true fastest way and the safest way is to take in magnesium, drink your water, and that's why I said with that Celtic salt, you can put a little in your mouth, crunch it up, drink a little water, you'll feel it start pulling the water in, and that is how you truly get hydrated. Now, another thing that happened after this video that I just showed you is we sat there and talked for probably, I don't know, another 5 or 7 minutes, and we just started talking about, she mentioned she had cramps and she mentioned she had migraines, and I said, you know what, my wife, Jennifer, she used to have migraines, and I mean, she'd be sitting in there in the, she'd have to go in the bedroom and turn off the lights, and I mean, it was just miserable for her. Well, once we learned about, adding that Celtic salt to her system, she has not had not one migraine ever since she started eating that Celtic salt. And the cramps as well. I used to wake up with cramps in my leg. I'd be like, oh my God, I felt like I was gonna die with the cramp. Well, again, once I started eating that Celtic salt, no more cramps. And probably the thing that touched my heart the most was she started talking about her daughter that she plays in sports. And so she was talking about, well, maybe I should, add a little Celtic salt to her so that she can get hydrated, because she sweats a lot here in Houston. If you've ever been to Houston, you know about our humidity. And if you're outside just for a little while, you're gonna start sweating. Well, when you sweat, you're losing minerals nonstop, okay? And so I told her, I said, hey, instead of giving her a Gatorade, or instead of giving her a soda or a Red Bull or anything like that, the best thing you can give her is just give her a little bit of Celtic salt and then add some water with that, and that is truly the best way to hydrate. Now, I'm no doctor, but I got all this information from doctors. And after we had our conversation, right away, I started sending her links. And one of the doctors that I follow that I learned all this from, his name is Dr. Berg, B-E-R-G. And then another person that I learned it from, her name is Miss Barbara O'Neill, and she's I believe from Australia, and she has one of the best videos on the internet that talks about water and salt and what it does in your body and how you get it into your body and the magnesium. And that's where I learned all this stuff. Don't think that I'm a doctor by any means, And certainly I'm not telling you to do anything without checking with your doctor first, but everything I'm telling you, you can look it up online and search for it. I sent her these videos right after our conversation, and so hopefully it's gonna help her, and hopefully it'll help you. I've been getting quite a bit of excitement from the Truckers Health episodes, and I hope you enjoy this one as well. We'll do more next week. We're not done with Truckers Health yet, but for now, that's gonna wrap up this week of Truckers Health and Pop's Doghouse. And we got your back. And that's a fact, Jack.
And that's a fact, Jack.